Costco wouldn't be complete without a trip to the food court to get a Costco hot dog.
Costco, we got to figure out how to save money. I'm going to show you what we use, what we do to save money to help get us through these trying times. What you got?
We shouldn't get it, but they have pretty size.
Yeah.
Because they're stupid sundae.
Yeah. I don't know what the heck we freeze dry.
But I know that people are making bags and they freeze dry.
Funny, they're still trying to sell 4K TVs. Well, yeah, because the 8K's been out for years.
Now I feel about.
Yeah, your dad's got one. He's had one since he went out in the boat. Neat. That'd be fun. That'd be
That would be fun to make.
No.
The trip to Costco wouldn't be complete without a trip to the food court to get a Costco hot dog and Coke. Because you know they only sell them as a combo. They don't. You can't just buy hot dogs. For $8.79. Onions, just like you like them. Lemonade.
Please.
What do you want? Lemonade.
Yep.
And then everything. Right?
Everything.
Everything. My hot dog here. I really wanted a Polish dog, but they don't sell those anymore. And then I really wanted some ice cream, you know, dessert to go with the supper. But unfortunately they were out. But I really wanted to try their new flavors. Caramel brownie sundae. How good does that sound? What flavors do you like?